Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the lesson Brown Bear and Wilber Wolf. Comprehension. Answer these questions in brief. What did Brown Bear lose when he woke up from his winter sleep? He lost his smell. How did Brown Bear feel then? He felt very sad. Which animals did Brown Bear try to make friends with? Birds, beaver, and deer, and finally wolf. What happened when he went near the other animals? When he went near the other animals, they got frightened and ran away. What was Brown Bear doing when Wilbur Wolf went near him? He lay down on the meadow and he is very tired and hungry. What was Wilbur Wolf looking for? Wilbur Wolf looking for food. Next. Match the words correctly to form compound words. Compound words means is formed by joining two words. Okay. Lifetime. Butterfly. Milestone. Sandstorm. Grasshopper. Peppermint. Understood? Next, choose suitable suffix from the box to make new words. Some words may take more than one suffix. Gentle, gently. Gently. Sad, sadly. Fear, fearless. Fool, foolish. Owner, ownership. Refreshment. Directly. Taller. Cheerful. Understood? Next. Fill in the blanks with the adverbs from the box. Adverbs are the words that tells about the verb, more about the verb. Okay. Fill in the blanks with the adverbs from the box. I want the work to be done today. Okay. Oh no, I have left my keys downstairs. The stranger was standing outside. Rana was waiting dash in the queue, waiting patiently. There was a robbery dash at the bank recently. The student answered the question carefully. Fill in the blanks using adverbs. Form the adverbs by adding ly to the adjectives given in the brackets. The singer is singing beautifully. Talk dash as the baby is sleeping. Talk softly. Wilber Wolf walked dash towards Brown Bear slowly. The king was walking dash among the crowd proudly. The man was lying dash under the tree comfortably. Next, understood? Change the sentences into negative by adding not. Soham is studying. Soham is not studying. We are going to Delhi. We are not going to Delhi. Children are playing in the park. Children are not playing in the park. The farmer is working in the field. The farmer is not working in the field. My mother is baking a cake for me. My mother is not baking a cake for me. Next, punctuate the following passage using capital letters, commas, and full stop. Mani, Rohan, and Sunil went to the market with their aunt Jyoti to buy fruits like apple, banana, and mangoes, and some household goods like table, mats, a tray, and spoon. On the way, they met Mani, M capital, comma, R capital, and Sunil went to the market with their aunt Jyoti, J capital, to buy fruits like apple, comma, banana, and mangoes, and some household goods like table, comma, mats, comma, a tray, and spoons, full stop. O capital. On the way, they met Mr. M capital R capital, Robin. S capital, Robin Smith, and his wife, M capital, Mrs. Maria. M capital, S capital, Maria Smith, who were also going to the market. Full stop. Understood? Tomorrow, for this we finished our lesson. Brown Bear and Wilber Wolf. Tomorrow we will start Harry meets grandfather. Okay? Thank you.